Hello, you're watching Carrie from Bali, and right now I'm in Sri Lanka. In this paradise corner, there's a place for many interesting creatures, and I'm excited to introduce you to them, as well as share interesting locations and new activities. So we are here at the Turtle Farm, and it's truly an incredible place because here these animals are held. The injured ones live their safe lives, while the young and energetic ones feed, bred, and then their offspring are sent into the open sea in a safe environment. Amazing. So let's go and I'll show you everything. Sri Lanka is home to several species of sea turtles, including the green loggerhead, olive ridley, and leatherback turtles. These magnificent creatures play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Sadly, many turtle species are injured due to various threats such as habitat destructions, pollution, and poaching. Oh, but there is a lot of small cute turtles. Oh my god. Oh my god, have you seen so much turtles in one place? One of the most rewarding experiences is witnessing the release of turtles back into the ocean. This moment filled with hope and optimism for the future of these remarkable creatures. Oh, it's so small. Oh, I can't, I'm gonna cry. I'm really worried about this baby. Oh, be careful. Be careful. I don't know, I'm really worried about this baby. I mean, I know how ocean be cruel and how world can be cruel and so small and I don't know. I expect more optimistic emotions. So oh guys, thank you for being with me in such tender moments. I mean, turtles, they're so defensive animals, so we really should care about our small friend. Thank you for watching me, really. I kiss you and see you later.